The Star Wars soundboard that came in. These soundboards are really not fun to work on. This one had several issues. The worst problem is that the BMST 2000 was blown on it. Also, both of these PAL chips were blown, and the RAM that was on board was blown also. So, booting it up now.
May the force be with you.
And it's looking for balls now. I'm going to skip that part. And we can start the tests.
I got him! Concentrate. I got him!
So that shows all of the various sounds working for the soundboard, at least the soundboard test.
Concentrate. I got him!
Thanks for sending it.